My name's Amy from Anchor EV, and today I'm going to be showing you around our lovely 2021 Tesla Model 3. The Model 3, without a doubt, is going to be my next purchase. It's got everything you could expect from a car and so much more. Inside we've got the full leather black seats and a lovely big pan roof. We can access autopilot. We've also got enhanced safety features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin, just for that added peace of mind. Schedule for charge and preconditioning. So in the summer you can get into a nice cool car, and in the winter you don't have to wait 10 minutes to fill your fingers. We have the 360 degrees camera, and in terms of entertainment, we've got toy box, an arcade to keep you and the kids entertained for hours, and you're never bored during a charge. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 443 3024.